In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate WooCommerce in WordPress. Whether you're looking to start an online store or enhance your website's e-commerce capabilities, getting WooCommerce up and running is a crucial first step. So sit back, relax, and follow along as we navigate this straightforward process together. Let's begin by heading over to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left side of your screen and locate the menu option labeled Plugins. Click on it and then select Add New from the submenu that appears. This will bring you to a new screen where you can explore and add plugins to power up your website. Now, in the top right corner of this page, you'll find a search bar. Click into it and type WooCommerce. You'll see a list of search results appear, filled with various plugins related to WooCommerce. What you're looking for is the official WooCommerce plugin developed by Automatic, the same team behind WordPress.com. It should be the first result, so keep an eye out for that familiar logo. Once you've identified the official WooCommerce plugin, you're ready to install it. Simply click the Install Now button located next to the plugin listing. This will initiate the installation process, and you'll see a progress bar letting you know it's working its magic. In just a few moments, the button will transform, giving you an option to activate. Go ahead and click this button. Activating the plugin is crucial because it's what actually turns on the functionality of WooCommerce on your site. So, with one click, you'll set things in motion, and moments after activation, you'll be smoothly transitioned to the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard is your friendly guide to getting your online store off the ground. It's designed to help you configure initial settings, from setting up your store details to integrating payment options. The wizard ensures that even if you're new to WordPress or WooCommerce, you won't get lost in the process. Plus, if you're unsure or need more time to think about certain aspects, you can always skip sections and come back to them later. In conclusion, activating WooCommerce is as easy as installing the official plugin and stepping through the handy setup wizard. It's a user-friendly, straightforward task that lays the foundation for your e-commerce success. Thank you for joining me today in setting up one of the most robust online store platforms available. As you continue to explore and customize WooCommerce, remember, there are countless resources and support communities out there to assist you on your journey. Happy selling, and until next time, take care.